First things first, you'll need about 1.5 to 2 pounds of round steak, around 3/4 to 1 inch thick. Trim any extra fat and cut it into serving-sized pieces. Now, in a shallow dish, mix a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and if you like, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Dredge each piece of steak in the seasoned flour. Shake off any excess. Alright, let's get searing. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or bacon grease in a heavy skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Brown the steak on both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden. Then set them aside. In the same pan, toss in 1 thinly sliced medium onion and, if you're feeling it, a green bell pepper sliced into strips. Cook until softened, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to build our delicious sauce. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes, that's about 14 ounces, 1 cup of beef broth, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder or 1 minced clove of garlic. Give it a good stir and scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the pan. Next, nestle the steak back into the pan, right into that tasty sauce and veggies. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cover, and let it cook on low heat for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the steak is fork tender. Check occasionally to make sure the liquid hasn't evaporated. If it starts to look dry, just add a bit more broth or water. If you like your gravy thick, here's a little trick. Once the steak is cooked, remove it from the pan. Stir 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with cold water into the sauce. Let it simmer until it thickens up. Finally, serve your Swiss steak and gravy over mashed potatoes, rice, or egg noodles. Add a side of your favorite vegetable, and you've got yourself a hearty, comforting meal. I hope y'all enjoy this classic Swiss steak with gravy recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.